Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into the second series of our video focused on self. Over the past few weeks, we attempted to understand the term self a little better, and last week, Sneha took us through the term self esteem. So, today, let us look into understanding self love and self compassion. Now, as we grow up, we're always told to love each other no matter what. We're taught to accept each other for whoever they are. But seldom do we talk about loving ourselves or being kind with ourselves. Now, think about that one time when you were in a difficult situation where you did something wrong. What was the first inner voice that you had within yourself? Did you question yourself as to how you could put yourself in such a situation? Or did you ask yourself what went wrong, what you did wrong? And think about that time, how you've been compassionate with somebody else who was in a similar situation. What was the initial response that you had? Did you tell them that it's okay to make such mistakes? Most often than not, we end up being our own critics and we end up being very harsh with ourselves while we can be extremely kind with somebody else in such a situation. Now, self compassion and love, they go a long way in contributing to who you are as a person. It helps us accept our inadequacies as a human and it helps us increase our self worth. It enhances our happiness. So, all in all, it contributes to who we are as a person. And as they say, plant a seed of self compassion and self love, nurture it, and grow it within yourself. But self compassion and self love is not as easy as it sounds. We cannot just wake up one day feeling all good about ourselves and love ourselves. It takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of practice. So let's look into some of the strategies on how we can nurture this. My number one recommendation has always been to keep a check on your self talk. The inner voice that you have, it can always be harsh or it can be helpful. It can go both ways. But keep a check on it and notice the kind of words that you use for yourself. Try to make it more compassionate and nurturing. The second step is to write a letter to yourself. Now, I know this sounds very unusual, but trust me, this is something that has worked for a lot of them. You can give it a try as well. And when you write a letter to yourself, again, try to make use of compassionate words. Think of what you would like somebody else to tell you to make you feel better, or vice versa. Think about what you would tell your friend. Third strategy would be to let go of the perfectionist within you. I know we all strive very hard to be perfect. We want to do the right things, but at the end of the day, we're only humans. We're not made to be perfect. So when you find yourself in a challenging situation, remind yourself you're only human and that it's completely okay. The next step is to practice gratitude. Now, try to focus on things that you have at the moment rather than worrying about things that you do not have. And being thankful and practicing gratitude can go a long way in nurturing self compassion and self love. The final step, something that has been researched over years and used by experts all across the globe, practice physical comfort. When you find yourself in an overwhelming situation, try to place the palm of your hand in any part of your body. It could be your abdomen, it could be your chest, it could be your hand, and try to move your palms gently in a circular motion. And try to notice the sense of calm that your body feels. And as you notice these changes, try to stay with those calm feelings for as long as you like. So, these are some of the practical ways to nurture self love and self compassion within yourself. But, like I said earlier, it requires a lot of practice. So, be kind with yourself and nurture this. Take it slow, take it one day at a time. And if you still find any difficulty and if you would like to know more about this, We are always here to support you, so feel free to reach out to us and take care of yourself. Thank you.